Okay, so let us create our first product. The type is product. This product is by default. We have to enter the product name. I have entered the resistance bond. So that's my product name. The unit of measurement is numbers only and not actually. Okay, I'll just enter a dummy node premium quality. Now the purchase price. I don't know actually resistance bond what it is. So, so I don't know the price, but please forgive me if I'm wrong. I'm just entering a dummy price 2,500 and charges I'm adding it 500 rupees. So the cost is already here 3,000 and we have to link this product to a tax slab. Okay, we are linking its HSN code. That is 1234 is the HSN code for this product. Okay, I linked it and it is in a 12% GST tax slab 6 plus 6. Okay, let us save this product. Either you can do it with your keyboard by holding Alt key and press yes or click on save button. I'm just doing it through keyboard. Yes, done. My first product is saved and let's go back and check it. Okay, we have got it over here, resistance bond. Okay, just select that item and press enter so that it is listing out all the data over here. Okay, so that is done. And now let us clear it. And the important thing is that after saving the product, we haven't got our window closed. It is still open because we have made the change in preferences that we need not want to close the windows immediately after the action. Okay, so now we can continuously create a few more items. I'll just pause the video. Yes, I have completed entering 10 products. Now what is left is I wanted to create service. So let us move on to creating a service. So choose the type as a service. Let us clear it and the service name physiotherapy. Okay, and physiotherapy I'm just adding as 4,500 the price, and since it is a service, no charges are added and it is a nil tax item. Okay, no tax is going to add. So I'm just pressing enter on nil tax. Okay, so the taxes are 0 and just click on save button. Very good, new service must be successfully created. So that is done. Okay, the same way I'm just going to create a few more services. Okay, I have entered a few services. Okay, just selecting one and pressing enter. So it's opened in the edit mode. Okay, and the unit of measurement is hours. Cost is 6,250 and it is a nil tax items. That's all. So this is the way how do we can create and edit product or services. One thing we have to notice that, see, when we are clicking on this one, it is listing out all the services only. No products are listed over here. Okay, just clear it, and once it is switched to product, we can see the products only. Okay, the products will be appearing into invoices and services will be appearing into receipts. Okay, so that's all about products or service master.